Welcome to PreMath. In this video tutorial, we are going to multiply these two given matrices, and these two matrices have different dimensions. The dimension of blue matrix is 2 by 3. That means 2 rows and 3 columns. And the dimension of this red matrix, the right hand side matrix, is 3 rows and 2 columns. To get a complete understanding of this topic, please make sure to watch this video till the very end for another practice problem. In our very first step, we are going to check the matrix multiplication compatibility, since these two matrices have different rows and columns. In order to check whether we can multiply these two matrices, we are going to focus on the interior numbers, the inside numbers. As you can see, this 3 and this 3. Check yourself. Okay, now you can see that these numbers are same. Yes, they are same. That means yes, we can multiply them. So as long as these numbers are same, yes, we can multiply. If these numbers are different, we can't. And in this next step, we are going to find out how our answer matrix is going to look like. What is going to be the dimension of our answer matrix? For that one, we are going to focus on the outside numbers, these exterior numbers, 2 and 2, as you can see. I want you to just match them up. This is going to become 2 by 2. That means our answer matrix is going to have 2 rows and 2 columns. And here is the roadmap of our answer matrix. This tells us that our answer matrix is going to have 2 rows and 2 columns. In our very first step, let's focus on our blue matrix, the left-hand side matrix. Let's focus on the first column. This is going to go in this very first slot. The next column, the blue column, is going to go right up here in this slot. And the next one, 2, 0, is going to go right up here. Let's go ahead and fill it out. So 5, -1 is going to be right here. 5, -1 right up here. -9, 8, and this is going to go to 0. Likewise, we're going to fill out these blue numbers in the second column as well. And here I have nicely filled out these blue numbers for your convenience. Let's focus our attention on the right hand side matrix, the red matrix. Look at this very first column, -8, 4, -5. We are going to make this column as a row, and we're going to put it down like -8 right here, 4, -5. Likewise, we are going to look at this next column, and we are going to put this one right up here as a row, 3, -7, 2. Our next step is we are going to filter in all this one, -8 right inside here, 4 over here, -5 here. Let's fill it out, those ones. So that is going to become -8. This is going to become -8 as well. 4, 4 here, -5, -5, and likewise they're going to get in over here. This is going to -7 shows up over here, likewise for 2. And here is our final product after filling out all these numbers. Now, in our next step, we want to simplify these numbers. Over here, if you look at this thing, we're going to multiply two matrices. 5 times -8 is going to become -40, and -9 times 4 is -36. And likewise, we're going to multiply out all of these numbers. And here are the numbers in the single parentheses, 8 times 5 is negative 40, and this is negative 36. I filled out nicely over here. And in this next step, I have removed these parentheses and just put down these numbers without parentheses. Now in the next step, we are going to simplify these numbers to get our answer matrix. Let's go ahead and take care of that thing. We know that this negative 40, negative 36, and negative 10, if you simplify that one, that is going to give us negative 86. The next number is going to be 82. Here is going to be 40. And the last number is going to be negative 59. And this is our answer matrix. And thus here is our resultant matrix whose dimension is 2 by 2, and that is our answer. And finally, here is your assignment. Can you do this problem on your own? You can take your time, you can pause the video. Luckily, I have already uploaded this video as well. Please go ahead and check it out and see the correct answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.